Part 2! We are going to unbox another boodle from Shopee. We thought that it's very useful kasi nga we're preparing for the Halloween. Tingnan natin. Are you excited? Are you excited, Dai? Someone's behind the camera. She doesn't want to be part of the unboxing, pero she wants to be behind the camera. Okay. And I know last night pa hindi siya nakatulog talaga because she wants to open this one, pero sabi ko, no! This is the cloak? Ah! Wait lang! Oh my God! Let's start with this one! Ta-da! Kompleto na ba ang ating The Wicked Witch look? Tapos, another is the ta-da! It's for ang ating crown. Well, pero hindi naman siya dapat crown na ganito, no? Iba yung crown na gi-expect ko.
Oh,
this is... Yeah, alam.
Not what we need.
Yeah, para kasi pang lalaki. This is for men. Medyo frustrated ako dito. Ito naman, kagaya ng tela nito. So, kasi partner nito ito si Cloak and si Wicked Hat. Witch Hat. Wow! Ano to itong pang-graduation? Pang-graduation toga. Ano to? Zay? Huy! Ito siya. Anong kanta ni ano? Ito yung Wicked Witch Cloak. Oh, diba? Hindi naman ganitong cloak ni Teacher Anne. Pang Harry Potter yon. Yeah, she has. Yeah. And then, suot ka neto. Tapos mag-green lipstick ka. Okay na. Ikaw na si, Alpha ba? Diba? Tapos di ka talaga magtawa. Mo, ganyan. Okay. So, meron pang isang item. Di siya kasali sa Halloween drama namin. This one, kasi mahilig tayong mag-purchase ng pang-exercise, pero di naman talaga tayo nag-exercise. Para lang sabihin na, nag-exercise itong babaeng to, pero hindi talaga siya nag-exercise. Flexible. Okay? Diba? Ito, very useful siya. Ewan ko, i-practice ko pa how to use it. Pero parang durable naman siya. Okay, so, wala na, yun lang. Di ba, ang laki ng box, pero actually, yun lang talaga. Wow! 4 items. Thank you so much. Lahat ay maganda, maliban dito. Medyo frustrated ako. Maganda naman yung quality, pero hindi to yung ine-expect kong crown. I probably will not use this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the part 2, and see you sa part 3.
See you next time.